In this video, we're going to review some basic settings. Here we are in the Zoho project settings. In the personal settings tab, you can find a few visual customization options. And if you scroll down, you can select what's the default page that loads when you open Zoho projects. Under notifications, we can see the personal email tab, where you can customize any email notifications that you're going to receive from Zoho projects. So if you're getting too many notifications when you or other users make changes to the projects, you can change the settings here. Same for activity reminder. You can change the frequency and the time of the day that you get this type of notifications. Let's click on Portal Configuration. The Configuration tab allows you to customize the Zoho project website, like changing the URL or adding a custom domain. Now let's click on Task and Timesheet. On the Timesheet Settings tab, you can configure settings about time reporting. If you're planning to track time using projects, make sure to review the settings. We also have the tab Time Approval, where you can configure if the log timesheet should be approved. Before we saw the personal email notifications, but here we have portal email notifications. On the Portal Users tab, you can manage default email notifications for all the portal users. So if you make changes here, all the Zoho project users will be affected. On the next tab, you can do the same, but for client users. These users are external users that you can invite to join a project without being part of your organization or having a Zoho One license. Under Manage Users, you can manage the users that have access to projects. On this tab, you can see Portal Users. To add a portal user, click on the Add User button that will bring you to the Zoho One admin panel. If you want to invite external users, you can use the Clients User tab. You can add up to 5 client users per Zoho One license. So if you have 6 Zoho One users, you can have 30 client users. In the Profiles tab, you can add, edit, or delete profiles. A profile determines what a user can do in Zoho projects. Let's edit the Manager profile. As you can see, there are many permissions that can be configured. For example, in this table, you can change the module permissions. Let's click on Cancel. Finally, we have roles. You can assign roles to users based on their designation. Also, roles can be mentioned when adding a comment, and all the users under that role will be notified.